Can we recover WhatsApp View Once photos and videos? In today's video, we're going to figure out, can we recover WhatsApp View Once photos and videos? If you've accidentally opened a photo or video in View Once mode and now want to recover it, don't worry, there are a few things you can try, so let's jump right in. One way to potentially recover a View Once photo or video is by checking your WhatsApp backup. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Simply tap on Chat and then Chat Backup. Check the date of your last backup. If the photo or video was received before the last backup, there's a chance you could restore it. If the backup was made before you opened the View Once message, you can try restoring your backup. Just be aware this will restore all your messages and media from the backup date, so anything you received after that will be overwritten. Another option is to ask the person who sent the View Once media to send it again. Since the feature is designed to delete the media after it's opened, your best bet is to request them to send it once more. You can even ask them to turn off View Once for future sends. To avoid losing important media in the future, here are a few tips. Take a screenshot of important photos before opening them in View Once mode. Next tip is to ask the sender to disable View Once if it's crucial to keep the media. So from these we can try to recover a WhatsApp View Once photo or video.